Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to make pasta and probably going to annoy 1,000 Italians. First of all, I put my pasta sauce in a pan, which I bought from the store. You can either make it at home or you can buy it from the store. Now I will turn on the flame, sweet on my pasta sauce for a few minutes. I have already boiled my pasta and put a little bit of oil in it and let it rest for a few minutes. When the sauce starts heating, add your noodles in the sauce. Now mix your sauce and the noodle for a few minutes so that each and every stick of noodle can get mixed with your sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of mushrooms in it. You can add anything you want to add, any vegetables, meat or something you want to eat with your pasta, you can add in it. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. You can also add salt or you can add whatever you like. Sorry, I forgot to add the meat at first. No, I have cooked the meat separate and I'm adding the meat in my pasta. You can also add it or avoid. Now it's important to cook all this thing together for a few minutes so that it can soak in all the taste and the texture of the sauce. Now I'm going to add a little bit of cream in it because I like the taste of it. You can either skip it or you can do it. It's not necessary. Now once again, mix them all again so that each and every individual can join its hand together to give the best taste. It's almost ready. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now just few seconds and we will put it in a plate to serve. Sorry I made a mess while putting it in a plate. Please like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed it.